Hi everyone. Want to change your country on Google Play Store to access apps, game or contact from another region? Don't worry, in this video I will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. Make sure your internet connection is stable before moving forward. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap your profile icon at the top right, then go to Settings, General, Account and Device Preferences. Step 3. Change your country. If a country change is available, you will see the country and profile section. Tap the country you want to switch to. Google may ask you to add a payment method for that country to complete the change. Step 4. Add a payment method. Add a valid credit, debit card or PayPal account for the new country. This is required to access app and contact specific to that region. Step 5. Confirm and restart Play Store. Once the payment method is added, your Play Store will update to the new country. Close and reopen the app to see contact from the new region. Important tips. You can change your Play Store country once per year. Some apps or contact may not appear immediately. Make sure your payment method matches the country you are switching to. And that's it. You have successfully changed your country on Google Play Store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple Android tips and tricks.